They may sound comical, but there is nothing funny about some of the calls made to 000. From an itch to a toothache, even a ride to avoid paying for hospital parking, taking already overstretched paramedics away from genuine medical emergencies.
At the ambulance call centre in Everleigh, these 000 operators have heard it all.
I received a call from a 30-year-old female who had lost her engagement ring.
From the weird and wacky.
I received a call from a lady whose dress made her legs itchy and they wouldn't stop itching.
To the downright stupid.
I received a call for someone who needed their air conditioning turned on.
Something's called in my ear. Yeah, it woke me up.
With our hard-working paramedics already under pressure from COVID and now a bumper flu season, they've joined forces with ambulance agencies around the country to remind callers when to phone 000.
Save 000 for saving lives.
Save 000 for emergencies.
In days gone by, where we would be used purely for emergencies, we can see now changes in the way that people are approaching primary health care.
Okay, is he awake?
Here in the call centre, the team have taken 216 calls just in the past hour. And while they'll always be here to take those calls, they need the public to use their common sense before picking up the phone.
In the past year, New South Wales paramedics attended 275,000 jobs in which the patient didn't need to be taken to hospital. This includes 844 calls for constipation, 810 complaints of a rash and 255 calls from people unable to sleep.
Are frustrated because we're standing there with things like a itch and hearing on the radio things like cardiac arrests, where we know that our services are absolutely required.
Kate Creedon, 9 News.